everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I'd like to welcome you here. If you're a brand new subscriber, thanks so much for popping in. Be sure to hit that little bell. Well, first hit the subscribe button, then hit that little bell, and click on it to receive all notifications so you won't miss a single time I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. So, came home from work today. It is Monday, September 17th, and on my doorstep was 2 boxes of this month's paper pumpkin. And this is the paper pumpkin for September 2018. And paper pumpkin's usually a month before. So October, of course, we're celebrating Halloween, and look at this fun box. So this is the September 2018. It's called Frights and Delights. And this is very exciting to get this. If you're interested in receiving a subscription of Paper Pumpkin, be sure to head on over to paperpumpkin.com. And I would appreciate it if you chose me, Susan Timchak, as your demonstrator. And, you know, give it a try. See what you think. You can opt out anytime at any month if you maybe are going to be going away, or you know, you kind of don't think you want that next month for whatever reason. You can put your subscription on hold for a month and then it will resume the next month. So you can get it month by month or in 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. So the more you subscribe with 6 or 12 months, you save yourself a little bit of money, and we're all about that. So I haven't opened it yet, but I do have to admit, and who is that calling me? Oh, it's probably a telemarketer, so I'm not even going to answer because I don't recognize the number. What was I saying? I did take a little peek at it because I saw other demonstrators receive theirs before I received mine. So yeah, I had to look. And look at, here's the cute little spider on all these little webs. So this is very, very fun. So let's take a look and let's unbox this together. The boxes are great because you can store it in. Also, if you're planning a trip, you can take it with you because everything you need is included. You may need to add a pair of scissors, or, you know, if you have something special you like to work with. But if you don't have one of these new pickup tools, is that what they're calling it? Oh, take your pick. I'm sorry. A take your pick tool. You're going to definitely want to add one of these to your next order because it has all these attachments. It has a little spatula to pick up rhinestones. It has this sticky end so it can pick up the rhinestones for you. It has 2 scoring tools on that, and that goes in and out of here. When you pull out this end with this little spatula, there's a paper piercing tool. So it's all in one, and it's a great tool to add to your stamping and crafting collection. So you might want to check it out. And here we're getting a sneak peek as to what's in this fun subscription box. So let's take a look. Alright, let me use the back of this so you can see. So this is the stamp set, and in each box you normally get a stamp set and sometimes 2 inks. This is a little Stampin' Spot, and the color this month is Basic Gray. So look at this cute little stamp set. And did I forget to tell you that this subscription is only $20 a month? I don't know about you, but last time I looked at purchasing stamp sets, you know, and getting an ink pad and all the supplies to create, it cost a lot more than $20. Plus the fact I had to go to a store to get it. So of course, as soon as I walk into the store, I'm going to want to purchase more than just that. This arrives right at your door. How convenient is that? Just open the door, pick it up, and start creating. So let's see, we have Boo, Eek, Spooky, we have Bat, we have some little spiders, some little stars, and let's see, we have Frights and Delights. It's Halloween. There's a to and a from. Treats for you, little pumpkin, a little moon, and it's just super, super cute. Can you see that there? I'll bring it, oop, you try to hold on to it. Bring it up so you can take a look at it. Isn't that fun? I love it. All right, and look at this month. We have some black paper wrapped in. Normally it's like a turquoise blue, but this, you can repurpose this too and make all sorts of things out of the paper. So you can save that. But the box is great, not only for storage, keeping it in, but you can go ahead and take your box apart and turn it the other side and use it if you're sending somebody something in the mail. So that's great too. I'm all about repurposing. So let's take a look. Here we have Frights and Delights, September 2018. You'll want to head on over to pumpkinhowto.com, and there is a quick video to show you how to make your project. So here it comes all in this cute little cello wrapped package. So let's take a look. I kind of had a little sneak peek. Stampin' Up! Sometimes does that for us, for customers. They give you a little peek as to what's upcoming, and I was very excited when I heard they were little treats. So this package will make 24 treat containers, and look at this beautiful baker's twine. It's black with some silver glitz running through it. That's nice. And the other thing is they always give you more than enough supplies to create with. So, and then once you've created all of your projects, you're still left with your ink spot and your stamp set. So you can go ahead and even create more. And these work great because we also sell re-inkers. They're called re-inkers, and they're actually used. Let me grab one here. This would be a Stampin' Re-inker, and you use this to put onto your ink pad when you notice it's getting a little light. So you can keep and use this spot many, many times. So here we have some Stampin' Dimensionals. Those are always fun. And here we have, and I love how they have it all packaged. If you like to repurpose, you can use all of these plastic sealed bags for many, many other things. So in here we have our little treat bags, and it looks like we have some with spiders on, and we have some with some webs. Oh, you're over here. I keep wanting to go over there. So here we go, some little webs, some spiders, and then we have some orange stripes. So we have 24 little treat bags. So this year, if you're giving away little treats for your Halloweeners, you'll make quite an impression when they receive a cute little treat in there. Here's some heavy cardstock. Now this is going to go inside your little baggie. So this will give you a nice bottom to it. And that's always nice because look, it'll stand up. Well, my ceiling fan is on, so it'll probably blow over. But it will stand up nice for you to put your little treat in. And I'm just all thumbs today. It's a Monday. Can you tell it's a Monday? Here we go. So how cute is that? And you know, you just don't have to give candy anymore. I know there's a lot of problems with allergies and things like that. Head on over to the dollar store and pick up. They have little packets. Wait, let me show you. I have these left over from last year. Look at these little sticker treats. One of these little boxes inside there with stickers would be great to give. And this was, I think this was Dollar General for $1. There's 9 boxes. So you can pick yourself up a couple boxes of those. And how super cute would they be inside there? So you don't have to just give treats. Here's some glue dots. So that's fun. And then inside here we have, these are our little tags. So we have some purple ones. We have some, this I believe is Gorgeous Grape. This I believe is Mango Melody. So we have 2 sheets of each of those. And then we have 2 sheets of these. And these are all pre-punched for you. I mean, well, they're pre-scored, so you just have to punch them out. So we have a whole sheet of bats. And, of course, we have a whole sheet of ghosts. And a full sheet of pumpkins. And look how super cute they are. Now, if you're wondering what these are pieces that go behind your pumpkin. So it kind of gives it a little ooh, mirror spooky look. And then these go for, I believe, the ghost eyes. Yep, these little shapes go for that. Then we have this is a sticker sheet of Boo, and then a sticker sheet of Eek, and then a sticker sheet of Spooky. And then we have this great piece of chipboard, which, I mean, this is very nice weight. I tell everybody to save that because if you like to do other crafts in that, it comes in very handy. So look at all the goodies you get. And then here's what you'll be creating. And it's my dog squeaking her toy. She always likes to make herself known that she's here. So here are the quick instructions, but if you're not into that, like I said, go over to Paper Pumpkin How To, and there'll be a video there to show you how to create. But they look very simple, easy. Just a little stamping, apply your stickers, put a little bow twine, and here's the part with the pumpkins and the ghost to put that little mirror image behind there. Put your little bat or pumpkin or ghost on there, and your little bags. And the great part is they even have a little ruler down here so you can measure off your twine. They tell you you need 12 inches, so you can use that to measure off. Like I said, Stampin' Up! Has thought of everything. So this will tell you what your kit includes, and it also tells you how to stamp. Now when you receive your first ever subscription box, you will receive a block in there, and that is a little acrylic block that you will use for this and future purchases of Paper Pumpkin, and that is to put your stamp on and off. You just peel them on and off. These are photopolymer, and they're nice. They're not cheap. They're very well made, and they will last you years and years and years. And don't forget to check out all the social medias that you'll find Paper Pumpkin on, with lots of alternative projects too. So that is the unboxing for this Frights and Delights Paper Pumpkin kit. I'm excited to get started. I will usually create one of each. There'll be 3 different ones I will create. I don't have any treats to put in. I'll have to go to the dollar store. I usually create the project, and then I like to go and step outside the comfort zone and go ahead and create other things. You can use these for cards or any kind of other treat boxes you want. And check out Paper Pumpkin on Facebook, because lots of demonstrators share lots of other projects using it. Well, I want to thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com. You can make a purchase at any time, 24/7, through my online store at Stampinsue Creates. Well, it's http://www, you know the rule with that, stampinsue.creates.stampinup.net. And be sure to check me out on Facebook, where I do live videos, and I may do a live video creating this, and share lots of ideas, and my Facebook group that I have, where you can post your things that you create and what you're stamping, and meet up with other stampers and just have a lot of fun over there. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a super stampin' night. Stay safe. Blah. Yeah, Monday. And glimmer hugs to everybody, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye, everyone.